What's up guys, this is again MZI Tomorrow channel or Showtime with MZ, and in today's video I will teach you how to identify your subscribers. Because have you ever had such a situation when you ask someone to subscribe to your channel but you never knew how to understand if that guy subscribed to your channel or not? Well, in this video we'll actually find out how to do this, and we're starting really soon. But before we start, please guys, subscribe to my channel. And I found out why you are not subscribing to my channel, because you don't know how to. Well, go down this video and you shall see this type of thing there, and you shall click this is shown in the video, and you'll be subscribed, and I will be happy, you will be happy, because I'm making great content. And make everything to make this red button great. Please just hit, click, or do whatever you call it, but please subscribe to my channel. And we are starting right after the intro. So let's start. Well, first of all, we're gonna go to Google. I have already installed this, so I'm in the Google Chrome, and then you're gonna just simply click YouTube and go to YouTube. Next thing what you're gonna do is that you see this little thingy right here, so you're gonna just simply press this thing and this all, then go to YouTube Studio, and this has to take you to your channel dashboard. So here you see how many subscribers do I have, and I want them more, so subscribe. Also, here's my latest video, here's my latest post, but what is most important is that here are my subscribers. So here you can tap see all, and even adjust the date for how long do you want to see the subscribers. So which period you want to see who subscribed to, and here you can see like the date subscribed, as well as here you can see like subscriber count, so how many subscribers do the guys have who have subscribed to your channel, as well as I don't know why I'm subscribed to this guy, and here is also if you are subscribed to this channel or not. So this was the tutorial, hope easy and clear, how to identify your subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video, because your feedback is the best what you can do for me. So subscribe and comment, and bye.